Hi, I'm Laura Thomas and today I'm going to show you how to dry oranges for Christmas decorations. I'm cutting the oranges to about 1 centimetre thick. It's really important to make sure your slices are cut evenly. Next step is to turn the oven on to 100 degrees C. Place your oranges nice and neatly onto a baking tray. Then I'm going to put them into the oven for 3 hours, turning them every 45 minutes. So now you've made your dried oranges, I want to show you 2 ways you can decorate for Christmas with them. I'm going to wire up some dried oranges to hang from my beautiful little Christmas tree. Get some florist wire and cut a length of about 15 centimetres. Then poke one end of it through the flesh of the orange, about halfway, and twist. Twist about 6 times and cut the end off to neaten it up. Then create a U hook and place on your tree, twisting the wire back onto itself. Secondly, I want to show you a really easy and really beautiful decoration for your Christmas parcels. Cut some florist wire to, again, about 15 centimetres long. Thread the wire through the flesh of the oranges. I like adding quite a few onto my wire. Then, having a slightly longer bit at the back, thread it through the bow that you have created on the parcel and twist them together. Cut the ends to neaten it up and bend the wire back in so you don't poke yourself or anyone that's receiving the parcel. And then make a nice bow on the top. Simple and effective decoration for your parcels. Using natural ingredients to style your home this festive period is a lovely way to add a little bit of natural magic.